How y'all doing today? It's your homeless friend Kai again, and sorry for the crappy lighting, but yeah, it's the spot I'm in. Today we're going to talk about panhandling, specifically choosing your location. This morning I am out in front of Astro Donuts, one of the nicer donut places here in Washington, D.C. If you're going to choose a place to panhandle, the most high traffic areas in the mornings are your best places. McDonald's, Burger King, donut shops, Dunkin' Donuts. Your more expensive donut shops are not going to make you any more money. The donations come fewer and far between, but you get larger dollar amounts. So you on average you should average I don't know, 15 or 20 bucks in the morning. But it'll get you till lunch. You know, it's enough to keep your day going. I prefer the nicer places to panhandle out in front of, and it's not that I make any more money or anything. It's primarily I have nice stuff, and if you go to a poorer location, they automatically assume that if you have nice stuff, you're well off. So I personally do better in front of nicer places. And yeah, I mean, I'm accustomed to a certain lifestyle. I wasn't always homeless, and I'm used to having nice stuff, and I'm smart enough to be able to keep it. Also able to afford it because I'm not spending my money on drugs or alcohol or other crap that keeps you from leading a decent life. And in case of emergency, all this nice stuff can be traded for food. So it's really an investment, towards the future ahead, the worst times, because worst times do come. There are many ways to panhandle. Your approach can be simple. Sorry, we're waiting for the bells. Okay, I guess that's it. Okay, your approach can be as simple as putting some change in the bottom of a cup and shaking it. I like the cardboard sign because I'm not really good with talking to people or asking people for stuff. So I just sit back and I'll be on my tablet or my cell phone and let the sign do the work. You can ask people, can you spare a dollar? Can you spare a dollar? It works for plenty of people. Your technique is something you have to find that you're comfortable with. Also, your locations. You want your locations to be busy enough that you have fairly regular traffic, not so busy that you have a lot of people passing by at the same time. There's a psychological phenomenon that says that the more people you have in an area, the more people assume that somebody else is going to take care of a problem. If the building's burning down and you got 100 people standing around, they automatically all assume that somebody else is taking care of the problem. If you got a burning building and there's 5 people standing around, it's more likely that somebody's going to run into that burning building. It's just a weird psychological phenomenon that way. So yeah, you want your foot traffic to be fairly heavy, but not too heavy. In some places, you can have fairly light traffic, and you'll get people who donate large amounts. You have to find a location that works best for you. What else is there? Days of the week. Fridays generally better because it's payday. Saturday nights are decent because that's usually when everybody goes out. Not during COVID, obviously, but Saturday nights are usually good. People are maybe a little intoxicated and having a good time, and they want to share the experience. So that works. Also, closer to Payday, the 1st, the 15th, and Fridays are your better days for panhandling. Yeah, I think that pretty much covers what I know about panhandling. Yeah, find what's comfortable, what works for you. Be smart enough to choose the right location. Think about how you're going to panhandle. Make a plan, have an approach. Otherwise, you'll end up, working your ass off all day long for, a few dollars just to get enough to buy a sandwich at McDonald's. And I don't know about you, but I have more needs than that. I have a dog. I have, I smoke cigarettes, obviously. Anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure and check the description for tips and tricks, stuff you might need. There's a link on Amazon to find out stuff you can order. Check my other videos for how to get a mailing address, how to apply for food stamps, all that kind of stuff. If you want to be alerted in the future when some of my videos come out, click that bell icon and the subscribe button. Thanks for supporting the channel by watching. Appreciate it. Have a good day.